In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Linktree button. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your Linktree buttons look polished, on brand, and easy to read. First, head to your Linktree admin. This is your main hub for managing everything your visitors see. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Design. This area controls the overall look and feel of your page, and it includes a dedicated section just for your buttons. It's the quickest way to make your links stand out without changing your content. Inside Design, select the Button section. This is where you'll do all the fine-tuning. You'll notice a live preview on the right side of the screen, which updates as you make changes. Use that preview to check how your choices affect the overall page, and imagine how it will look on a phone, since most visitors view Linktree on mobile. Start by choosing a button style. This preset determines the overall vibe of your buttons, from subtle and minimal to bold and attention-grabbing. Pick a style that matches your brand's tone. If you lean professional, a cleaner style can look more polished. For a playful brand, something with a bit more visual flair can help draw the eye. Next, set the corner roundness. A square edge gives a crisp, structured look, while a more rounded edge feels softer and friendlier. Slide until it complements your logo and other visuals. Consistency matters. If your brand uses rounded shapes elsewhere, reflect that here. Now choose the button color. You can select from the palette or enter a specific color code to match your brand precisely. Think about contrast and visibility. Your button should be easy to spot without clashing with your background. If you're unsure, start with your primary brand color and adjust lighter or darker until it feels balanced in the preview. Then set the button text color. Prioritize readability. Light text on a dark button or dark text on a light button typically works best. Aim for strong contrast so your visitors can scan your links quickly, even in bright light or on smaller screens. As you refine each option, keep an eye on the preview and consider how the whole page comes together. Small, intentional changes to style, shape, and color can make your links feel cohesive and professional. That's it. You've adjusted the button style, corner roundness, button color, and text color all in the button section under Design. Tweak as needed, keep it consistent with your brand, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed Linktree.